Hey guys, this is Mike with Coda Pond Pros. Real quick tip on this. I wanted to just stop by one of our jobs out here in Burford. What I wanted to basically kind of showcase is the Ultraklean 2000, and it's basically a canister filter with the UV light function as well. So I got this Ultraklean 2000 with the UV light. And so this is actually a great device when it comes to providing more surface area for bacteria colonization. This actually houses bioballs within it, but it also has the UV light function that helps sterilizes and cleans that water as it's being passed through. So over in here I've got basically my pump, my skimmer, and it's pumping up to this filter. Now this filter can only accept a fraction of what is actually being flowed through this 3-inch pipe. I've got a good 10,000 gallon per hour pump, and so this can only handle just a small fraction of that. And so it's actually been diverted where I have a T within the pipe, and I can actually back it down with the flow that goes through this filter with the simple ball valve. So really quick way to basically provide back pressure and reduce the amount of flow going through this filter. So this also has a drain function, so it does have the ability to open this cap and then open up this valve, and you have the ability to drain it. In order to drain it, it's actually just a simple switch. I basically turn it from run to actually clean, and so when I just quarter turn, that allows it to actually discharge here, and that'll actually help stir up the bioball action from the bottom up and get some of that sediment that's been built up in the bottom of the filter. Same thing with the UV light clarifier. It's great for working on microbial algae. So if you have microbial algae, which is a green pea soup open water, this is a great device for working on that as well. The other function that I like with this device in particular is that it actually is so it actually has a timer involved. Now that timer, we actually don't need to run that UV light for hours and hours and hours throughout the day, all day, every day. I can actually adjust it by 6 hours, 12 hours, or 24-hour type increments, simply just by pushing this button. So awesome function. This will also tell me when it needs to be cleaned or not, and so this will actually light up and let me know when I need to start back flushing and discharging. So super awesome design. I hope you enjoyed this real quick tip on the Aquascape Ultraklean filter, and we will see you guys in the next one.